It was in Grahamstown in 2018, volunteering at Gedra Matric School as a mentor. I was mentoring someone that's older than me, probably more experienced and wise in this world than I am. That's what I thought. Job 32 verses 9 says, "Sometimes the elders are not wise. Sometimes the aged do not understand justice." I remember when I was about to meet him for the first time, feelings of excitement and anxiety came and went. Part of me couldn't wait to meet him. Part of me was having questions like, is he going to accept me, or am I going to be able to help him? We met and he was nice and friendly. Finally, no rejection. But unfortunately, our mentor-mentee relationship didn't work as he couldn't make time. He always had excuses and he suddenly lost his phone and we lost contact. But I would see him in town. We would talk. To be honest, there was no growth in the relationship, but I grew. Fast forward to 2020, now a volunteer at Budding Q, dealing with children. Oh, what a precious gift they are. Not too hard to understand, warm and welcoming, free of worries, and bubbly they are, with no intentions of evil whatsoever. They always want to be taught and led, and they are ready to learn, but also want to be given the platform to grow into who they really are and to teach back. Nonetheless, in both situations, I learned that people won't always do what you think is best for them. We are all unique, and our reactions to certain things are similar or completely different. But what is important is to find a common ground. Never impose solutions, but suggest. They will either accept or reject. It's their choice. And at the end of the day, it is their life. Also, I learned to always be knowledgeable of why one can't do what I suggested. To never impose my values on people. To have empathy and be a good listener. For every moment spent with someone, you learn and grow, whether good or bad behavior. The least you can do with people, whether young or old, is to let them decide what is best and watch them soar. Thank you.